Experience the ultimate in luxury with your newly installed neoprene waterproof seat covers, custom fit for your Chevy Equinox. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The backrest cover has a large hook and loop opening. Begin by stretching the opening of the cover over the headrest and around the bucket seat. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side. Then, from the front, grab the buckle straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. From the back side, grab the straps and connect them together with the buckle clips. Make sure to adjust and tighten under the seat. There are two elastic loops on the front bottom. Attach butterfly discs to the loops and then push the discs through the crevice of the seat bottom and secure to the back side. There are two elastic loops on the back side and bottom of the cover. Attach metal clips to the elastic loops. Then attach the hooks under the seat to secure the cover. Now secure the top of the cover under the headrest by fastening the flaps with the hook and loop adhesive sides, making sure to tuck the fabric under the base for a snug fit. Next, release each section of the rear backrest and slip the covers on each side. Tuck the fabric under the seatbelt and make sure the preset cutouts line up with the vehicle controls. Now, make sure the backrest is in an upright position and feed the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom, making sure to tuck the fabric in for a secure, snug fit. Now, fold down the backrest so there is a gap between the seat and the trunk space. Pull the straps out of the gap and fasten them on the back side using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Secure the cover to the back side by using the hook and loop adhesive strips. Then zip the fabric together and push the seats back in an upright position. Now, stretch the rear bottom covers over each section of the bench seats and feed the buckle straps into the crevice. The covers have an elastic loop on the right, left, and in the center. You will need to feed the straps through the loop, tuck under the seat, pull all the straps from under the seat bottom, then begin to connect each one with buckle clips to secure under the seat. Now secure the top of the cover under the headrest by fastening the flaps with the hook and loop adhesive sides, making sure to tuck the fabric under the base for a snug fit. And finally, slip on the headrest covers. And that's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative neoprene seat covers, custom fit for your Chevy Equinox.